Listen to part of a lecture in an engineering class.
Has anyone heard of smart fluids? A smart fluid is a liquid that changes its physical properties, like viscosity, when applied to a suitable stimulus, either electrical or magnetic. These fluids have the potential to revolutionize many industrial sectors, such as aerospace and automotive, since they are able to transform substances from the liquid state into a quasi-solid state in a blink of an eye. The smart fluids that respond to magnetic fields are called magnetorheological fluids, or MR fluids. And those that respond to electrical fields are electrorheological fluids, or ER fluids. MR fluid technology is used in vehicle systems, specifically in the suspension system, which is the system of tires, springs, dampers, and shock-absorbing components of a car. You can see why the characteristics of MR fluids are particularly advantageous in this field. The MR fluid damper or shock absorber, for example, uses MR fluids that are controlled by a magnetic field, which is often an electromagnet. Using MR fluids allows the damping properties of the shock absorber to be controlled by varying forces of the electromagnet. Another example of MR fluid application is seen in prosthetics, or artificial limbs. The MR fluid damper is used to control the movement of the amputee's walking speed, based on the inputs from a set of sensors. Since the MR fluid is able to adjust its properties accordingly to the gait conditions, it allows the amputee to walk in a more natural gait. Now, there are some great applications of ER fluids too. They can be used in a device for minimally invasive surgery, that is, surgery performed through tiny incisions. By using ER fluids, the device can achieve desired force trajectories to perform certain tasks, which otherwise would have been quite difficult for the surgeons.
Question 1. Why does the professor mention how magnetorheological fluids are used in prosthetics?